Hi friends, welcome to Endless of Technologies. This is Vijay and this is the continuation of Google AdWords. This session is continuation of Google AdWords and previously discussed about what is the Google AdWords, introduction to the Google AdWords and what introduction to the Google AdWords such as what is Google AdWords definition and as you know what is the different as you know how ads will be displayed in Google and what are the different type of search engines and we are concentrating on the Google AdWords only, but Bing, Yahoo and ask.com contains AdWords, but Google is number one in the whole world, so we are concentrating on the Google only. So what are the advantages of Google AdWords? So previously we have discussed about in the previous session we have stopped it there, such as like AdWords is organized into three layers, that is account, campaigns and ad groups. So this is the three layer structure: account, campaigns and ad groups. This is the three layer structure. An account is your Gmail address and your password, and an account contains n number of campaigns, and campaigns can contain n number of ad groups. So an ad group contains ads and keywords. So for example, account means your account is associated with unique email address and billing information, information, and you have to make sure that, for example, if you are working in a company and don't share your account information to others if you are working in a company, or if, for example, if you are working in an individual, because it is very confidential information. So campaigns. So campaign, each campaign has own budget settings determines where you add your per. So a campaign is a set of ad groups. What is a campaign means? It is a set of ad groups, and ad group contains ads and keywords. So it campaign, what is the campaign contains? What is a set of ad groups, and ad groups contains ad keywords and bids. So ad groups contain share the its ad groups contain the information of budget, location targeting and settings. So why campaigns are used? For example, if you are working in a company, or for example you are your own individual, campaigns are used for different categories. For example, if you have a website, such as for example, if you have a website, or for example Amazon is the website. It has, if you have a website, or it you have divided into different type of such as like if you have your website has a shopping website, and you are divided into different you want to sell all the, for example, you are selling such as like clothes and accessories, funds, kids, office and wearables. You have you created your website for that, and website for that. So you created an AdWord account and creates a campaign for that one. See, accessories is a campaign, kids is a campaign, office is a campaign, warehouse is a campaign, and fun is also a campaign. Campaign is a category, and every campaign has its own budget and settings. Every campaign has its own budget and settings. So I will explain you about campaign and ad groups in the next sessions clearly. And ad group is a combination of ads and keywords. So I will explain you will know about the ads and keywords clearly in the next couple of sessions. So you guys understood about campaigns, right? Each ad groups means each ad group within the campaign contains set of similar ads and keywords. Set of similar ads and the keywords. So uh, and every campaign can contains any number of ad groups. Every campaign contains any number of ad groups. For example, account contains any number of campaigns, but a campaign contain any number of ad groups. So you whenever you are coming to the next session, you will understand clearly. You will understand clearly. So this is the campaign, Google AdWords campaign. This is the example of how a campaign will shows. For example, for example, I created a AdWords account. I created a Google AdWords account. This is the First, for example, this is the new Google AdWords account I created just now. So whenever if we open by using your Gmail account and password, this is the overview will come. Overview and clicks and impressions. Previously, I did not create any campaigns, but in the overview, it contains any clicks, impressions, average CPC cost. So in the overview, in the first window, it will show like this, and in the next thing, in the next dashboard, for example, we are going to click here campaigns. So if we click here campaigns, there are no campaigns right now. The window will show like this. For example, if you click on the campaigns, the first window will be like this, such as like no data, campaign starters, all but removed, filter, segment, columns, download, and these are the options we have. uh, mm, we have in the campaigns. And for example, there are such as like options as like settings, locations, and change history for every, and settings, locations, change history. So I will explain you about, for example, for example, if you click on change history, it shows, and all changes, how many times you have changed your history. It shows the history. Account changes 2 times, ad changes, bid changes, budget changes, conversion changes, keyword changes. So it shows the whole history and locations, in which location it's showing. So first of all, we will concentrate on the campaigns, because campaigns is very important. Campaigns is very important. So we will come here. So first of all, what is the goal? Goal means, first of all, whenever if you click this button, uh, for example, if you click on this button, plus button, campaign, and it shows like new campaign and load campaign settings. Whenever if we click the new campaign button, it shows, such as like select the goal that would make campaign successful to you. So these are the goals: sales, leads, web traffic, and product and consideration, and brand. These are the goals. So first of all, we will concentrate what is a goal. And Google, for example, if we are clicking on the new campaign, Google provides an option. For example, Google provides an option to select your goal. You can select your goal based on your customers take actions your customer are taking actions your customer taking, such as like you can select the sales goal, leads goal, and website traffic goal, product and consideration, and brand awareness, and app promotion. And you can select any of the goals here, or you can create a campaign without a goals guidance. We can select, or we can select the goal in showing the options, or we can select this one also. Whenever, for example, if I am selecting the sales goal, I am concentrating on the sales, drive sales online in app, by phone, or stores. We have the options such as like, it shows the options such as like search network, display, and shopping. For example, if I am selecting leads. Leads means get leads and other conversions by encouraging customers to take actions. So, and for example, if we select the goal such as like it increase your website traffic. It sales means Sales goals means you want to increase your sales. Leads means you want to get more leads, I mean get more customer sales. And website traffic means you can get more website traffic by using this goal, and by its goals. And so brand awareness means you want to create your own brand. And app promotion, you created your app and it shows. For example, we can select, every goal has different campaign times. Every goal has, what is the difference between these goals means, for example, I am selecting this goal, sales goal. Campaign times are search, display, and shopping. And I am selecting this goal, leads goal. Campaign times are select, search, display, shopping, and video. See, there are 4 campaign times. So I will explain you about what is campaign times. But it is showing the campaign types. See, I am telling the difference means, I am just campaign types are only three. Here, whenever I'm selecting the sales, it's showing the campaign types. Only three options it is showing. And for example, if you want to generate based on, for example, if you are working in a company, select the goal based on your preference. For example, preference. Select a campaign. Search, display, shopping, video. So website traffic, there are four campaign types. Product and consideration, only two types of campaign types. So the difference is means, what is the difference between different goals? For example, brand awareness, there are two campaign types. App promotion, there is only, see, when I am selecting the app promotion, there is only one campaign type. So for example, create a campaign without a goals guidance. Search, display, shopping, video. So the difference of campaign types, for example, I am going by this way, we can select campaign types. So the campaign types, the difference is, so the goal is, and you can select the campaign types of each goal, such as like search network, display network, or shopping, or video. You can select the campaign type by using the goal. For example, if you are selecting the sales goal, or leads goal, or website traffic goal, or another goals, the campaign type, there are only one campaign type, or two campaign types, or three campaign types. So keep in mind when you are working in a company or individual, that such as like which campaign type you are selecting. So the campaign type is here, you can see campaign type is informative, very important. So in the next session, I mean, in the next video, I will explain you about what is campaign type, how many types of campaign types are there. So for example, you can change the goal settings at any time. You can change the goal settings at any time, based on the preference. For example, you can goal settings at any time, at any cost of time, you can change the settings. There are no preference settings, but you can change the settings. For example, I created a campaign by I'm creating a campaign by using this campaign type of search. So I can change afterwards. I can deselect this one, and I can select this one, display and shopping. So there are different type of options. You can select. So for example, I am selecting a campaign, and my campaign has a search campaign, and it shows the options such as like website visits, phone calls, app downloads. The next in the I mean in the next videos, you will understand about everything. You will understand about everything. And so the goals include sales, leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, brand awareness reach, and app promotion. So these are the goals. These are the goals include. So, and in the next session, I will see, whenever if you come to the session, whenever if you click on campaign, this window will come: sales, leads, website traffic, product and consideration, brand awareness, app promotion, and this one. So these are the campaign types: search network campaign, Disney network campaign, and shopping campaign, video campaign, and universal app campaign. See, you will see. And these are the campaigns you are seeing: search network, display network campaign, shopping campaign. So what is a campaign type? So campaign types determines where customers see your ads. What is a campaign type? Campaign types means where your customers are seeing ads. And there are a lot of settings for every campaign type, such as like search, search network has different settings, display network has different settings, shopping campaign has different settings, and video campaign has set different settings. Campaign types means where your ads will see your customers, where your ads will see, and you can set the campaigns. And so these are the settings. For example, every this is the campaign type: search network, and select the results you want to get from the campaign: website visits, phone calls, app downloads. So in the next session, I will explain you about search network, mainly search network, because the campaign type is very important. Campaign type is important. So come to the overview, such as like an account contains campaigns, and campaigns An account contains any number of campaigns, and account is Gmail address and your password. And you can select a campaign contains ad groups, and n number of ad groups a campaign contains, and ad groups contains ads and the keywords. So we have discussed about the campaigns, what is a campaign, and what is a campaign, and what is the goals, and what is the campaign times. In the next session we are concentrating on search network campaign. Thank you guys, and thank you once again.